So I got the album today. I'm really happy about it and I'm ready for it. It feels nice. Oh my god. I dropped something, guys. Sorry, this is like my first like actual like album that I'm getting, because I have an album. I have the director's cut album from 17. Like, I'm staring at it right now, so that's why I'm just like looking in that direction, but I have it. But like, I didn't buy it and I didn't pre-order it like I did with the woosung's album, so it's like it's like a new sense of power. Like, I feel like I've accomplished a lot. Look guys, look at that, look at that. He is the most prettiest person on the planet. Thank you for watching. Stay fresh. Bye bye.